Morning team. Thursday, December 15. 10 days to Christmas. Yesterday price action was choppy. FOMC moved. Today all the news are in New York. So London open and London close should be fine. I want to discuss a little bit what I wanted yesterday, what I tried to do. Well, I posted on Twitter, I wanted a short after this Asia high rated. Never got filled. And then I said in a review that we can easily go up, and once they start to print bullish price action, I will chase long. So they literally did this H1 raid, H1 BMS. I wanted longs all the way up here, but I don't know, I cannot be at charts too long during the day. So I gave up about here, when we were about here. I was in the chat with my buddies and I said like, hey, this is getting too choppy, I give up. And then 50 minutes later, I leave home and I see this beautiful raid, 15 raid, M5 BMS, and that's when they pay for longs. So as always, New York is bad for me, New York Open. I think I should just focus on London Open and maybe sometimes have a look to London Close. Because all the price action I wanted happened in London Close. Anyway, let's have a look to today's chart. Okay. Weekly, still looking strong. Okay. Start to be a big week above. Yeah, we got 2 days, today and tomorrow. If you, as I said yesterday, I don't want to be a Euro bear, a perma bear, but now we literally dipped into this bearish origin. So if you ask me, high of the week is in. Okay, I'm not going to say that we're going to go to one, you know, like in a few days, but I think that high of the week is in. We got 2 days left. I think the next 2 days are gonna be red. I can be wrong, I don't care. It's just like item frame bias that I keep in the back of my mind. I'm gonna show you why on lower time frame. Wait, what I did. Okay, hourly. H12. So we got this cure, push up. Now we closed again above the previous wing high. Technical is bullish. As I said, I don't trust this anymore. You remember I talked to you about the doji and the big rejection afterwards. Look how precise it got tapped. So basically on H12 they filled all the fair value gap. There is no fair value gap anymore. It's all efficiently filled, and it got instantly rejected. And it's also like a pretty decent rejection. Right now it's 50 pips. Still super early in the day, can easily spike up. I have no idea. I just keep in mind that we touched a valid resistance, and if low time frame confirms, shorts can be in. H4. Yesterday I said that I wanted discount to go long, okay? Instead they closed super bullish here and they kept going with FOMC. What happens when they do this? In my opinion, it's bearish, because if they move high, if they want to go higher, they usually rebalance price action, go lower in discount, and then they keep going. When they go straight up without leaving like a big imbalance behind, like, sorry, it's not super clear here. Yeah, leaving like a big fair value gap behind, that to me says that price is not efficiently balanced, and they're most probably going to come back to rebalance this fair value gap. Okay, this is how I see price action. Maybe you see differently. I'm happy for you. This is how I look at price action. If they go up without balancing, I think they're gonna go down. Then once you're here, I have no idea what they're gonna do. they can do like this, or they can just keep going down, maybe like this, and keep going down again, you know? I don't know. I don't care, to be honest, right now. What I know that if they go up, they're most likely gonna go down. If they go down first, then I'm gonna look for longs to go higher. So, back to charts. Yeah, right now there is this H4 BMS. I don't trust nothing about it. Nothing. But I want to say something. Last week, I also didn't trust this big week that was done in news. Last, I don't know, Monday, because I was away. This week was on news, okay? And I didn't trust the support because I don't like this type of weeks as support, and instead worked out. So now I'm saying that I'm not trusting this week. There was FOMC. Maybe gonna work again at support and gonna keep going higher. My trading plan says don't long with big liquidity behind, so I'm not allowed to long because this looks like a big liquidity pool to me, and I don't believe that you're not going to take it, okay? If I'm wrong, what I'm gonna do? Miss a trade? Yeah, whatever. This week I'm down 1 hour so far, but it is what it is. Let's go to have a look low time frame. Here you go. Okay, again, big liquidity pool. Yesterday, all the loss from yesterday plus FOMC. I know right now it's like slow bleeding. And technically, even low time frame is still up. I mean, if they start to close below this swing low, I know it's just line chart and the wick is way below, but it's gonna mean something to me. Yeah, right now we're still printing higher high and higher lows. This is a key area, pivot. As I said, I don't trust this week. I don't trust FOMC support. This was done when liquidity was away. They took liquidity basically. The order book was empty. So to my eyes, it's not real support. I like this inside candle, this M5 as a support. I mean, if for example I'm gonna look for shorts, I would close all of it here. And I cannot long in here unless I see something stupid clear that I feel stupid not longing it, but I don't know, I cannot long. I don't trust all this area. And right now I cannot short neither because hour is up, M15 is up, H4 is up, it's all up technically. So either I start to see some close below this open, you know, like they start to move some price action here, and then maybe I can see something like this. They go back in premium and they short. Yeah, wouldn't be a bad move. If they spend some time here, I can see that. This to me looks like distribution, you know. Distribution means shorts. Well, that's enough for me today. I wanted to tell you something. Review, the service I'm using for the newsletter is shutting down from Twitter. I guess Elon fired too much workforce. I don't know why they shut down. So I'm gonna migrate on Substack. So I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but if in the next days my newsletter you're receiving from Substack instead of Review, don't get angry, just me moving away. Well, you can also unsubscribe if you don't like it anymore. And that's it. Hope it helps, and I speak to you tomorrow.